Hi, I'm Michael from French Creek Fall Safety, and today we'll be taking a look at the Traverse Horizontal Lifeline. Whether it's on a rooftop or a construction site, a horizontal lifeline provides users with extended fall protection over a longer distance than what can be provided by overhead anchorage points. Today we'll be looking at the components of a horizontal lifeline system, where they are best implemented, and how to assemble them. The Traverse Horizontal Lifeline has 4 components that make up the complete system: stanchion posts, which connect to the I-beam, the cable assembly, which is available in multiple lengths, the CEA, or coil energy absorber, and the pass-through bracket, which is present on systems longer than 60 feet. When initially setting up the horizontal lifeline on an I-beam, it is best to do so on the ground level. Doing it this way minimizes potential risks that may occur when the system is being installed at height. The first thing to consider when setting up the horizontal lifeline is how long it is going to be. The maximum distance between stanchions is 60 feet. Any distances greater than 60 feet require the use of an additional pass-through stanchion pole. These poles have a bracket on top, which is designed to allow users to move through these additional supports unimpeded. The stanchion poles are connected with 3 heavy-duty bolts, a large bolt on the bottom, as well as 2 smaller bolts on the top. Together, they can be adjusted to ensure that the stanchion pole is secure in its fit. A properly installed stanchion will have no side-to-side movement parallel with the I-beam and will be firmly in place. Once the stanchion pole has been securely fastened, the lifeline can be connected to the posts with a carabiner on each end of the lifeline. Once connected, the tension on the lifeline can be adjusted with a turnbuckle located on the far end of the lifeline. One of the biggest advantages offered by a horizontal lifeline system is that it is capable of holding more than just a single user. The Traverse Horizontal Lifeline has a capacity for 6 users, given that the individual spans are limited to 2 people at a time.
If you have any further questions on horizontal lifelines, feel free to reach out to us. Don't forget to visit our website to see what other fall protection options are available, and also subscribe so that you can stay up to date on all of our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. And don't forget to stay safe.